What is a verb? A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone is doing, like run, jump, eat, play, and sing. Here are few examples of verbs with use in sentence.
Skillful children.
Run. I run fast. Jump. She jumps high. Eat. She eats an apple. Drink. I drink milk. Sleep. The baby sleeps. Play. We play with a ball. Sing. She sings a song. Clap. The kids clap hands. Read. I read a book. Write. She writes her name. Dance. They dance together. Draw. I draw a picture. Swim. He swims in the pool. Smile. The girl smiles. Cry. The baby cries. Walk. I walk on street. Talk. Sarah talked to her friend. Kick. He kicks the ball. Wash. I wash my hands. Open. She opens the door. So kids, hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.